better clear some of these dishes.
You were so sweet.
That's very good. I compliment you, Chef.
So, Bill, the question on everyone's mind that I do mean everyone is where's Earth and when do we get there? That word again. Well, clearly you have no privileges of being an ex's wife, then what's the point? I mean, Bill, we're all family here. Come on.
The need for secrecy is paramount, Ellen. Oh, I'm sorry. Perhaps you don't know that the silence looks like us now.
Oh, that, yes. Yes, I knew that.
It's recent news. Most people just found out a few days ago.
Thing like that travel fast. Right?
Any one of us can use that. Thank you so much for coming. It's been a wonderful evening. Never end.
Oh, I seem to have lost one of my shoes.
It's right here.
Thank you.
Here we are.
Thank you.
Watch out, Faye. Faye, watch out. Faye, honey. Oh, God.
Oh, pleasure's all mine. But these things.
Very well.
Hey, honey, watch out. Move.
Be careful.
You actually think that woman is a silent?
Well, she's not. We're all in a lot of trouble.
When did Bill become such a stick in the mud? Man, the carving. Is one of those faces on a totem pole.